Hi, Darren West from Prosper Health Collective. Today, I want to talk about how we are able to influence our child's behaviour. So often I have so many parents come in saying, "Oh, I want to get my children to do what I ask them to do, but they just simply don't. I want them to make their bed. I want to get them to do the dishes. I want them to do their chores, but they don't want to do it." And so I often respond to them, okay, why should your child listen to what you have to say? Often parents say, "Oh, well, simply because I said that should be enough." Unfortunately, that's not often the case. So I want to talk a little bit about understanding how behaviours are learnt. Now, for us to engage in behaviours, the reason we engage in behaviours quite often is because of the consequences. So I say to parents, or parents often say to me, I want my children to do their room, but they don't do it. Okay? So I often say, okay, why should they do it? This is something that they don't want to do. And so often what we need to do is we need to put in consequences to get them motivated to do what we want them to do. To do that, I often start off with asking clients, okay, what is it that your children likes? And I write a list. Okay, they like having their phone. They like playing Xbox. They like having pocket money. They like watching. They have TV in their room. So they got all these consequences. So I often say, you know what? Let's use them as a way of motivating them to do what they want to do. And often with consequences, I say to parents, always keep them as small as possible. We don't want to give huge amount of consequences, and often just a little amount is more than enough to change their behaviours. So he says, okay, then we're providing them with motivation along the lines of, okay, you are not allowed to play the PlayStation until your room is clean. They may say, "Oh, that's not fair, you can't do that." Or sometimes it's the phone. They're wanting the phone. I says, okay, and if you want the phone, this is how you get to earn it. And it's almost being a case of being on the child's side or teenager's side when you're doing that. I want you to play the Xbox. I want you to have the TV in the room. I want you to have this phone. And to get it, all you need to do is clean your room. How long that takes is up to you. So really, you really want to be on your child's side. So you really want to say, okay, then, yep, I want you to have it. I want you to have it. But I'm not stopping you from having it, okay? Because as soon as you have cleaned your room, you can get your phone back. Yep. And it's about making sure that you engage in that. And, your child might argue back, that's not fair. Okay, well, look, this is it. But I want you to have this phone. And as soon as it is clean, you can have it. So, and they may say, well, fine, I'm not going to clean my room, and it may take an hour, it may take 2 hours, it may take 3 hours, okay? But you hold on to it, and if they keep coming back to you, say, yep, absolutely, I want you to have it. I'm on your side. I want you to have it. And you can have it as soon as your room is clean, okay? And then getting in the pattern. And inevitably, if it's something that they want, then they will engage in that behaviour to get the consequences that they want. Okay? Making it nice and small and being able to implement that for a lot of different things. Now, this is simply just in regards to certain behaviours. And this is not about everything. So certainly there's other vlogs and blogs that have been talking about emotional disturbances and concerns and deeper things, but this is just basically in regards to simple little behaviours that you would like your child to engage in, whether it's putting out the rubbish or doing their chores around the house or keeping their bedroom clean. So put in consequences. So the next time when you ask the question, why should they listen to me, you'll have an answer. The reason they're going to listen to me is because they want to use their phone. They want to play on the Xbox. They would like to have TV in their room. Okay, so and for them to get it, then they need to engage in this behaviour. So just a little tip. Always ask yourself, okay then, why should my child listen to me? And hopefully you'll be able to have the answer to that very question. All right then. Again, if you've got any questions that you may have or would like further information, please feel free to contact us at Prosper Health Collective. Okay, until then, good luck. All right, bye for now.